Consuming undercooked meat increases health risks, and it may lead to food poisoning. The ChefsTemp Quad X Pro is a great solution for monitoring the internal temperature of the meat. The remote display and alarm has a magnetic base, and it has an extra long 1,000 feet range in open areas. I'll show you a few more details later in this video. This is a quick range test. I never had any trouble with the signal reception. It claims 1,000 hours of battery life. I think it should be more than enough for regular use. I have the target high temperature set at 130 degrees and it's currently setting at 84, 85. So it is definitely not ready to eat. As I'm editing this video, I'm waiting for the steak to be ready. The alarm will be triggered once the target temperature is met. The USDA recommends steaks and roasts to be cooked to 145 degrees medium. I chose to be on the safe side and set the temperature to 160. Well done. It's the first time we use this kind of product, and it gives us so much more confidence when enjoying the meal, knowing that it is fully cooked. Add some veggies for a balanced meal. Eating good today. This is what well done looks like. I may try medium next time. It looks greasy after the use, but easy to clean up with a wipe. Each unit has a built-in stand. Powered by two AA batteries. Rechargeable ones are fine. The battery door of the main unit is secured by a screw. The on-off switch is located in the back. Long press to turn it on or off. It is also possible to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. The backlight button is pretty handy when you cook at night, and the whole screen will lit up. Of course, it may decrease battery life, but there is no way to tell from the screen. I don't see a battery meter there, but you can change the volume, and the volume can be set separately on the main unit or the remote control. It has 4 channels, therefore 4 probes can be connected. After connecting all 4 probes, the remote display will sync up with the remote unit and is displaying all data points. Press the set button once and use the plus and minus to set the high point. Then use the on or off button to set the alarm on or off. Each channel has their own set of these 2 buttons to control the temperature independently. It's worth mentioning that the main unit has a USB-C power supply port on the right side. So optionally, you can have the main unit powered through a battery bank or a AC wall outlet to have it running indefinitely. But the remote unit does not support external power supply. There are 2 strong magnets behind the stand of the remote monitor. It's a clever design. I think the units are very well made. Another interesting design detail from this product is the colored rings, so you can use them to identify each probe. It may get confusing with all the wiring, so the color-coded rings are definitely helpful. This is an overview of the spec behind the box. Thank you very much for watching. Happy cooking!